Hi, my name is Latiski Agliam. Welcome to another video. Tonight I'm going to show you how I fix my bed. So here it is. By the way, guys, before I show you how to fix the bed, don't forget to subscribe uh, to my YouTube channel Lotiski Agliam Filingera Vlogs and hit the notification hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Okay. So first, this because it's winter time, so I'm going to put this a blanket, this wall.
Round
And I
two.
feel itchy
Ready, go!
for the wall, so I'm gonna put this cotton sheets. It's cotton, this one. Okay, it's cotton. Okay, put a corner to corner. That is how we fix bed in the hotel. So I learned it already. So I'm doing also to my home. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Actually, in hotel I do beddings for uh, 10 minutes for the um, king size bed. Yeah. Okay. So next is the
Round three.
quilt. I'm gonna put on
Ready,
the bed
go!
sheet because I have already the wool bed sheet and I put the second sheets. So this is the white cotton bed sheet. Now, because it's still cold here in Cyprus, so I'm still using the quilt. So I'm gonna put the cover. So I'm going to show you how to put the quilt cover easily. Okay, so you quit put the quilt, spread it like this, and you're gonna put the cover. Okay, I hope so. This is the big one. So this is the cover. So I need to put in the proper way. So here it is. I'm gonna put now. So what's it, guys? So here is the quilt cover. Take it here, like you must to put in the proper. Take the corner and put here. It's like this. Okay, and you go to another corner. It's like you're wearing clothes. Okay, this is the other corner. So sorry, I can't see the camera. So see it. Okay, so after you put corner to corner, so you fix from down to make it straight, and you can fix. Like this because I can see. I don't have cameraman and I don't have a tripod also, so it's difficult for me to film. Okay, so just fix down to make it straight. have a good oh wow, nice, because it's very fresh the bed. and after that I fixed already, and you put inside this see, I'm going to show you so you can see it's good properly. Okay, so it's just like that. This is the bed I put inside this one, yeah, and to the other side also. See how I fix. And now I'm going to put, so it's done my bed for the quilt cover. I don't put the bedspread because it's already springtime, a little bit cold, so only quilt I need. I don't need anymore the bedspread. So now I'm going to put my pillows. Yeah, I love these pillowcases. It's yeah. Oh, it's not, it's like this, sorry, it's like that. We have a two pillows each person must to have two pillows. Yes, and I have the cushions. Yes. Okay, we water nearly our bed when we are sleeping because every night I feel so thirsty. Wait, I will gonna put like this because it's not nice to see when I put all inside. So it's just like this one. Marlene, see? Okay, this is my bed. So that is, guys, I hope you learn something, the tips how to do your bed so simple. Okay, it's so simple, I love it. It's my curtain. Now I'm gonna put later the curtain. So that's my bed. Water. I have my Bible nearly me when I'm sleeping. Yeah. And this is my snake plant. So have a look. So nice. Simple bed. Yeah. I have my Bible always with me, nearly me, and this is my snake plants. Yeah. They said when you put nearly you when you sleep, this make you good sleeping. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll like my video. And if you have some suggestion videos, you can comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you, and looking forward to see you for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.